Here are the rest of the parts for the solar and battery system. You can see those LED dimmers up close there. Mode, light, speed of like the dim or the flash. Here is a 12 volt, 24 to 12 volt power converter for stepping down from the battery voltage at 24 down to 12 volt. Here I got some extension cord connectors, basically make your own cable, both sides, just to fit kind of a different type of project. Maybe put this into a circuit breaker on the output side of your inverter directly wired, and you'd be able to have one portable outlet from the output of the inverter. A little bit closer look on those DIN mount. Wire connectors, screw top, wire goes in, passes through, and then there's covers that go on the ends. This is some Wireway. It's a really nice product, and you can attach it to a wall or to a table, and the wires pass through going down the duct, similar to this heat shrink that I have here, and some wire wrap, but you can see it kind of goes down in the channel, and then the wires just come out of the side there. Pop them off if you need to, and then the cap snaps on top. It's a nice tight seal, and here you can see you can screw that or attach that onto the wall or strap it onto something. Just some really nice wire management. Some different color heat shrink. Check this out. There's some blue, some black, some red, and some green. So once you crimp those wire ends, slide a little section over and insulate the ends of your wires. For example, if you strip those off and crimped on a connector of some kind, then you'd slide this over first on the wire before you crimp actually, and then heat shrink it. I put in a bunch of these really impressively powerful zip ties you can bolt on, and then there's two straps, maybe for strapping some wire or conduit outside or along something. So I sent a bunch of those along. Safety glasses if you ever need them. Here's some more wire connectors. These are all specifically for the LED light stuff. So cool stuff. So look at all the parts we're sending along with the battery. And yeah, pretty cool.